Is there any specific apps draining mobile data on your Samsung phone? Hey there, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict apps from using mobile data on your Samsung phone. So let's begin. To do that, go to Settings, tap Connections, scroll down, tap Data Usage. After that, tap Mobile Data Usage. Scroll down, and then find out which apps are draining your mobile data. Tap on the app that you want to restrict from draining mobile data like Facebook. Now just toggle off the Allow Background Data Usage. In the same way, you can restrict other apps as well. So this is the way to restrict apps from using mobile data on your Samsung phone. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!